Okay, you guys, so we're gonna work on a project really quick, and this project is gonna be my work anniversary, so something positive. I am turning 23 years in my work job, so I decided to go ahead and print this out. So it's 23, and I thought it would be so cute to use the little roses on there. What do you guys think? The place is called Keyhole, and I put 23 Keyhole anniversary. So I really like that, and I did it in the gold. I'm gonna use this, and it's just a clear. They come in like blues, they come in hearts, they come in different shapes and different sizes. I thought this would be great for this project. So we're just gonna open it up, and I'm gonna put it back in here, so I don't want to rip it, because I'm gonna pack it back in there when I take it to my job. I'll post a picture either on Instagram or I'll post a picture on TikTok, but I'll post a picture of the day of the work anniversary, because I'm going to take a cheesecake, and I thought this would be a great topper for the cake, or either that or a cake, and I thought this would be a great topper. So this is how it looks. And it has both sides. You see? Okay. Well, I could leave it on here so you guys can see it. So right away it has a little plastic coating. So we're gonna take that off. You guys see that? You see? So it's going to be nice and clear when you start your project. I'm going to turn it around, and I'm going to take the other side. So it looks like it's not, and you're going to be like, oh my God, this is scratched. It is not scratched. And it's going to be clear. So it's going to be really pretty, and it's going to be clear. See? Nice and clean, so you're ready to start your project. I'm going to go ahead and grab my transfer tape, my favorite transfer tape. You already know the grid lines are on here. Super easy, guides me through everything. So if you don't know, I'm going to link it down below so you guys can order your own. I'm just grabbing my scraper. And I think for this one, I'm going to use the extra large one, which I also have on my Amazon storefront and on my Walmart. So whatever you have, I got you covered. Okay. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to use that one, and we're going to put this together. I want to make sure I get it right in the middle. So I'm going to take my time. Make sure you scrape it. The reason you have to scrape it is because you don't want air bubbles. If you get air bubbles, it's going to come out on that. And you're going to have air bubbles there. And your project is going to be a ruin. Okay, you're going to bring it down. Can you guys see that? Yeah, you guys can see. And I'm going to lift it. We're going to try to lift it. Look at how easy that's going to be. Perfect. Okay, I'm scared. Okay, I'm going to bring it closer towards me. If you see me in the camera, I'm okay with it. And I don't want to paste it until I'm ready. I'm so scared, you guys. I think I got it exactly how I wanted. I could have made this a little smaller. If I would have made it a little smaller, I feel like the A is kind of going to come out, but I'm going to cut it. I'm okay with it. How do you guys think it came out? That's going to look really pretty on my cake. I'm grabbing my scissors in case I need to cut it. I'm gonna cut it. I'm not scared. If I mess up, I messed up. But I'm gonna keep going. Okay? I'm gonna keep going, and I'm scared, so I'm just like, I'm gonna lift it. If it lifts, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna place it back and I'm gonna scrape it again. I'm not scared, but I'm saying if it lifts. And that came out beautiful. I'm so happy. Look how pretty that is. I'm gonna make sure there's no bumps. I kind of saw something. Oh my god, this is gonna be so pretty. I did see a bump. I'm getting rid of it. How pretty is this gonna be on my cake? Like, look how pretty that is gonna be. Sorry if you can't see it. If it has any air pockets, go ahead and pop them. Really easy. Just press on it till they go away. And they are gonna go away. Look how pretty that's gonna be on my cake. Now, I don't have to cut here unless I want to. You see how it's coming out? So I am gonna cut it. I'm gonna cut it because I don't want it to peel off in accident and it just like comes off. And I'm okay with that. It wasn't nothing major, something small. I can just cut it and be done with it. What do you guys think? How cute is this? Look how easy it is to customize your own sign. That's really pretty. And I'm loving the floral on it. Oh my god. This is really pretty. So there you go, 23 years. So I'm gonna take it a step further and I'm gonna paint the roses, and either I'm gonna paint them hot pink or pink. So I don't know which one. I think the hot pink will stand out more than the pink. So we're gonna do the hot pink. Okay, let's go ahead and paint those roses. Let's see how that comes out. I'm gonna shake the paint. I'm gonna flip it. Well, you know what? I should take a picture of it like this and then take a picture. Okay, I just wanted a picture real quick. Just so I have my before and after. So I don't want to paint this yet because I want to put it there. So I'm gonna put parchment paper on there. If I could find it. Oh yeah, I got it. Just because I don't want it to get scratched. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna paint though. I don't know. Let's see how this comes out. Let's see how that looks. Oh, that looks so pretty, you guys. But I'm gonna have to let it dry, and I'm gonna have to give it like 3 layers. So let me come back with it. Okay guys, so I painted the back of it and I gave it 3 coats. What do you guys think? How pretty is that? Now I kind of want to paint this pink, but I don't know if I should. Just so it could stand out a little bit. I think I am. I kind of want it to stand out just a little bit, not too much. What do you guys think? Should I just leave it alone or paint it pink? I mean, it's really pretty already. Or just paint it pink, like right here, pink and pink. What do you guys think? You think that'll stand out more? Letting that dry. I think I'm gonna paint it. If I regret it, it's fine. I think I'll just do one here. Or like a swiggly line. Let's see if I have enough. I have enough of the pink paint, so I can't paint it. I'm just confused, like I don't want to mess it up. Let's paint it. You need it once. Let's see how it comes out. I'm gonna get it coated. Just right. See how that looks. Actually, it looks really nice. So I'm gonna do it more on top, just like that. Just like that, like it was a mistake. It looks so cute, you guys. Look how cute that is gonna look. I'm glad I did it. How cute is that? Now I'm gonna bring it up just a little bit so I get the keyhole as well. But that's cute. Not a lot, because then the paint gets wasted. Yep, that is everything and then some. Look how pretty that's gonna look on my cake. So there you go. I'm gonna make sure that okay, I'm just gonna redo that line right there. And that's gonna be perfect, you guys. I don't want to mess it up. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna let that dry and then we'll see the final result in a minute. Okay, so I'm gonna plug in my heat gun really quick, you guys. If you don't have a heat gun, I have it linked on my Amazon storefront as well as in my Walmart. You need one, trust me. And this is the one I like. I'm gonna link it. It has a little stand in case you need it to stand up, but right now it has two buttons. It has low and high. I'm gonna do the low. And then it has high. I'm gonna show you really quick. And then off. Okay. Low and high. High is a 2, and then off is in the middle. Yep, that's drying really fast. Because I'm like, I'm not going to wait here forever. So this worked out better. It's already dry. I'm going to show you really quick. Look how fast that was. I don't have to wait here forever. If you guys need a heat gun, just keep it away from your husband because he's going to want to take it away. Every time my husband does the windows, you know how you do the windows and you seal it up? He uses this to seal up the windows when you put that in the winter time. It's done. That's how easy that was to dry. So get yourselves a heat gun. You're gonna need it. And that's it, you guys. I'm gonna pack it up. And I'm gonna take it to work. So there you go. 23 years of service to my job I have done. I am very happy there. I continue to be very happy there. Therefore, I am still there. Look at this is the box. I'll link it, don't worry, on my Amazon storefront. And to 23 years more. Hopefully I retire from there and then we'll see. But let's see how this came out. It's nice and dry. I'm gonna place it against my paper because it comes with the paper. And let me know what you guys think. I am really happy I end up doing the pink. What do you guys think? That came out really pretty, right? I'm really happy with it. I'm gonna go ahead and put it back in here and we'll take it to work. And I'll show you a picture, of course, of how it looks on my cake. And there you go, you guys. Beautiful cake topper. I hope you guys liked it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Comment down below. And until next time, bye, you guys. Until 23 years. Wait, I want you guys to see it. There you go.